You sit down to practice with full focus. But then comes that one question where the doubt just won't go away. No matter how many times you read it or try to solve it, that's the moment you wish someone could just guide you through it. And that's exactly where extra intelligence steps in. The Help Me Solve It feature breaks down every problem step by step. So you don't just get the answer, but actually learn how to reach there. And getting the help is super simple. Just log into www.extramarks.com or the Extramarks learning app. Tap on Study. Select your board. Then choose the subject and chapter you want to practice. Nice! Now scroll to Practice and start solving. And if you feel stuck, just click Help Me Solve It. Instead of giving away the final answer, it takes you one step back to a simpler question, one that covers the basics. Still unsure? Click on Need a Hint. It gives you a quick reminder of the concept. Move on to the next step. Keep going on until you are confident enough to reach the final answer. Easy, right? That's extra intelligence helping you solve your doubts step by step, like a teacher sitting right next to you.